Hello traders, happy new year to everyone. All right, so today I'm going to show you guys a free backtesting website. It has been around for a while. So yeah, so I want to head to your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using and then type this traders casa, traders casa. Yeah, so you click on it, it will give you a page. Give me a moment while it's loading. All right. So now it will bring you to this page. You know, I mean, I already have an account with them, so it's a free website, and then signing up is free. So if you don't have account, you can you can create one here and then create an account, your email and then password, right? Then you sign in, you log in. So yeah, this is how the dashboard looks like. We have the where you see your here you see you have your best return like the analytics. So this is where you see your performance, the number of trades you've taken, the calls and everything, right? So this website is really good if you are backtesting or maybe you want to backtest your strategy, you know. Like say if you don't have money to pay for trading view premium plan. This one is as well you can pay, because of the ad or the stuffs. But without the ad just take like 30 seconds. So you can, if you're not bothered with the ad, then you are still good to go, right? So yeah, so here we have the dashboard, the analytics, then the reports, the report of your trade, all those stuffs. So for the analytics, right, when you come here, you see sample, unlock advanced analytics with pro. So this one before you could see, and then here it says um advanced analytics now included in ad free. So now you see overview, sample data, total trade. Before you could see this, these are the samples, right? So even if you backtest, you won't be able to see this, the number of trade, the losing trade, the profitable trades. You won't be able to see it unless you pay for the ad free, and the ad free is just like $4. Yeah. So if you want to see that, you can pay like $4, which is still okay compared to trading with $12 per month or whatever. So yeah, it's still okay. But if you don't mind seeing these ones, then you are still good to go. Never mind to to pay the $4, right? So and then you have the back test. So this is where the real deal is, right? So here now you have a new session. You see this here, new session. So I already created one, so let me delete it. So maybe you don't want to. Uh, so let's see now. Once you create an account, you sign up on this platform. It's going to give you this page. You have the dashboard, the analytics, the report, backtest. So the backtest is where you are coming to. So you see new session here. You click on new session, and then if you want to change the theme, you can click this white black. So you can play around it. So you have new session here, right? So you click on new session. Now here it says session name. You can name it anything. You can name it the name of the strategy. Let's say ICT for example, or SMC. Maybe that is the strategy you want to backtest, right? And then you click on starting balance. One thing about, okay, let's say $1,000, right? So you come here and choose your currency, the currency pair you want to backtest on, be it Euro, USD, USJPY, whatever, gold, indices, all those stuff they are here. So let's say, for example, Euro, GBP, USD. Then you pick your dates. One thing about this platform, right? It's it's even better than TradingView. Like TradingView, even on the paid version, like the essential this thing. You have to on the 5 minutes you cannot go beyond some certain, I think, a thousand bar candles or whatever. But here now, even if you take it to 2000, you can it will start exactly from that side. So in that case, you don't even you won't even see the some of the charts or the candles played out, so you don't compromise your back testing. So now once you take it to 2010, the particular date that you set for yourself, that is where it will start from. So let's say for example now I want to start from the 1st of January 2024. So this is 2023, right? So let's say on the 1st of January, okay. Yeah, let's say on the 1st of January 2024. That is where I want to start my back testing from. What is it saying? Okay. So 1st of January 2024. So this is it here. So now you've done this 2000 and okay, the earliest date is May 2023, 2003, right? So you cannot go beyond 2023. So the description, you can add whatever description you want. Let's say, for example, my simple strategy, right? And then you click on save. Once you save, now it will create the backtesting, right? So you have your SMC as the name, GBP USD as the currency pair, and then the date it will start from. See the 1st of January by 12 a.m. So once you are done creating this, you click on this icon here. So you have delete here, you have this. So you click on display icon here. So once you click it, it will take you directly to the chart. So let's give it a moment to load. All right. So now here we have the chart here. At the bottom, we have the balance. This is your actual balance, open profit. So this one it will show once you open a position, right? So we have it's just the same as trading view, the same as trading view. There's no difference. All the indicators or the tools, well, not all the indicators, but at least some of the indicators that the most essential or the yeah indicators that you need, they are all here, right? The drawing tools, all of those stuff. So now we have the time frame indicators, open position. So now once you are done with your analysis, let's say for example now I want to enter a trade. Maybe I'm done with my analysis, right? You pick your tools. This is normal, the trading view, sell position and long position, right? So now you have once you pick this now, let's say this is where I want to start this in the back testing from. So you can, let's say you set your stop loss here and then you take profit. Now to open this position now, right, I'll have to click here. But if you click here, you notice that it's telling you stop loss, take profit. There's nothing here. So how to do this, right? In order to stress yourself, typing it manually, you click on this position, be it a sell or a buy position. You click on it. Make sure this is clicked on. Then you come to your open position. You see that stop loss and take profit space is filled automatically. So that is to show you that you don't have to input it directly on yourself. So you have your buy and your sell. If I'm going for a buy, you just click on buy. Like if, for example, now this we are going for a buy here, automatically that's how it will be showing buy. So you don't have to be clicking this. So the platform will identify what it is automatically and then do it. So let's say now we are going for this sell, right? So you've clicked on it, open position. You see mark stop and then no stop order. If you don't know how to what stop order or market or limit orders are, you can drop in the comment section and I will make a video about it. So if you are taking a limit order, you just click on this. If it's market execution, so you click on this. So let's say you are going for market execution, that is to take it from the actual market. And then here you say risk percent. Well, so yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The ad, it comes up after some seconds. So in order to avoid this, you can go ad free. To go ad free is just like I think $4. Let's check it, or maybe we'll look at that later. So give it some seconds and then we'll go continue. Close. All right. So now you have risk percent. So this is the amount you want to risk per trade. Let's say 1% or 100, which is 10%. That is the amount. So this add partial, you can only do it. Let's say you want to take partial profit or whatever. That one is only available on add free, so you can't use that. So once you are done with this, you just click on place trade. Now your trade has been placed automatically, but this is where it's going to take your order from. Right, this is where it's going to take the order from. So now it took care because that is where the listing was initially. So now to continue the backtesting now, right? You click here. Now we are in the position. You know that you see that it's very slow and the time frame is 15 minutes. So in order to increase the speed, because it will take 15 minutes before this will complete. So in order to increase the speed, click on this. You see the number, the time. You have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So if you click on 15 minutes, now it will take like 15 minutes per second to create this in the candle. It will be fast. And then if you want to increase the speed, you can click here, drag this, and then it will increase the speed. And then once you check at the bottom, you are seeing the open profit, which is only 7 this, and then the balance is 10. So you see how it will go fast, 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 fast. Let's take it there, and then boom, you are done with the position. Profit 153. You are done with the trade, right? So this platform is really nice and it's free of charge. Unless you don't want the ad and then you want to go ad free, then you can subscribe. But if you don't mind with the ad just comes up once, like comes in between after some minutes or sometimes, and to take just few seconds, 30 seconds, and then it's out. So you don't really have to pay for it. So you see this rewind here, this one now is not available. You have to go ad free. So now one thing with this, right? Sometimes what we do when we are backtesting is maybe you've seen the market played out, and you say, okay, yeah, I should have taken this. So you rewind it, you take it back, and then take the trade again, which is not good. So this one now, it will help you cannot go back, cannot go front. So yeah, which is really, really nice. And then I will advise you and encourage you to check it out, try it out, and if you want to exit this trading view, you can check click on exit session, and then once you come here, analytics, you see the trade that you took. That's not refreshed. Okay, yeah, this is a trade that we took, close 153%, and then you see the dashboard, um and then reports. Let's say, well, let's refresh this page. We'll see. Okay, their balance has been updated. Your report is the chart, but this one is the sample, so you have to go add free to in order to see that. So we are up by 15%. So you see this. So at the end of the day, you just come and evaluate your strategy and then see how it plays out. And then yeah, so in case you have like maybe multiple backtesting this thing session, once you create another one and then you come here, you see the sessions that you've created, you just select the one. Let's say for example, now I create another one. Let's say simple 1000 per GBP USD date December 2024, let's say January 2024, January, then you click. You see now we have the two this year. So you just come here and click on the one you want to go to. PGBP USD is to take you straight, and Euro USD will take you straight there. So yeah, guys, that is the end of this video. Wouldn't want to. It's not that it's not a difficult channel. Just try it out, and then yeah, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and then I'll probably link the put the link to this platform on the under this video. And if I don't, then just click on check on this traderscastle.com. All right, it will take you straight up to the website. So subscribe, guys, as I'll be bringing in more updates. This is my second channel, my second video on this channel so far. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing my weekly analysis very soon, weekly trade recaps, and then weekly forecast. Yeah, so just make sure you subscribe, right? Share. I'll be dropping beautiful, wonderful, and nice nuggets. Simple trading strategy. We have to make money this 2025. You have to. Trading is difficult, so we have to make it simple for ourselves, right? It's difficult, we know. So yes, guys. So this will be the end of the video. See you soon. Bye.